Right now I'm going to work the problems that are on Mastery Card 1, solving basic equations, or I believe on the Mastery Card it's called solving two-step equations. And for number 1, remember that when we are solving an equation, our goal is to isolate that variable. That means get it all by itself. So we've got to get rid of the 3, and we've got to get rid of that 10. So I'm going to do so by getting rid of the 10 first. In order to get rid of a plus 10, of course, you subtract 10. This being an equation, don't forget, technically, there's a little middle of a balance beam going right through the middle. If I subtract 10 from this side of my balance beam, that's going to cancel out, leaving me with just the 3x. If I subtract 10 from over here, I'm going to subtract 10 from over here. 1 and a negative 10 is going to give me a negative 9. That x still isn't isolated. That 3 sitting next to the x is multiplication. To get rid of that multiplying, I'm going to divide, which will cancel, leave me with an x. I divided that side by 3, so I'm going to divide that side by 3. X is equal to negative 3. Number 2, I've got a w that I would like to isolate, so I'm going to get rid of all the other stuff first. I like to draw my little line through the equal sign, just as a reminder. I'm going to get rid of that minus 12 with a plus 12. That's going to cancel, leave me with an 8w. I added 12 over here, so I'm going to add 12 over here. Negative 4 and a positive 12 is a positive 8. I've got multiplication here. I'm going to get rid of this multiplication by division. I'm going to cancel. That's going to leave me with a w. I divided that side by 8, so I'm going to divide that side by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Number 3, again, I need to get that a by itself. I need to get rid of this plus 8 with a minus 8. She's going to cancel. Leave me with this 8 divided by 5. I'm going to take 8 away from over here, so I'm going to take 8 away from here. 9 minus 8 is 1. I've got division here that I need to cancel out with multiplication. The opposite of division, of course, lots and lots and lots of you guys. When you took this mastery the first time, we're trying to cancel out this division by doing more division. So a bunch of you guys were doing 1 divided by 5 and you were getting decimals. Remember, that is not the way you cancel out division. The opposite of dividing is, of course, to multiply. So that's going to cancel, leave you with an a. You multiply that side by 5, so you multiply that side by 5. A is equal to 5. Number 4, you've got n divided by 2 minus 9. I'm going to get rid of that minus 9 with a plus 9, which is going to cancel. I added 9 over here, so I'm going to add 9 over here. N divided by 2 is what is left over on this side of my equation. Negative 5 plus a positive 9 is a positive 4. I've got to get rid of this division, not with more division, but with multiplication. So that's going to cancel, leave me with an n. I multiplied that side by 2, so I multiply that side by 2, n is equal to 8. Last but not least, this one isn't exactly a two-step equation because you got a little bit more to do. This is more of a multi-step. So notice on the left side of my equal sign, I've actually got a 9x and a 4x that I can put together because they're like terms. I can't put that 5 together with the 9x and the 4x. So 9x minus 4x is a 5x plus 5. So I combine those like terms over there on the left side. I'm just going to bring down my negative 20. Now I've got a two-step equation, and I'm going to solve it like normal. Get rid of that plus 5 with a minus 5. I subtract 5 from over here, so I'm going to subtract 5 from over here. Negative 20 minus 5 is negative 25, not negative 15. I've got to get rid of this multiplication with division. That's going to cancel, leave me with an x. I divided that side by 5, so I'm going to divide that side by 5. X is equal to negative 5. Now, I know I went through these problems pretty quickly because I'm operating under the assumption that you're just doing this for practice. Please feel free to rewind the video if you need to, or ask me if you need a little bit of extra help in class.